If you use Calendly for meetings and you want every booking to automatically create a Zoom meeting link, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a Zoom link in your Calendly account step by step, so your invitees can book a call and instantly get the right meeting details without any manual back and forth. This is super helpful for coaching calls, client meetings, interviews, sales demos, and any kind of online appointment. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. The first thing you want to do is log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you need to make sure your Zoom account is connected. If Zoom is not already linked, don't worry, it only takes a minute. Look for the integrations area in Calendly, then search for Zoom. When you see it, click on it and choose Connect. Calendly may ask you to approve permissions, so go ahead and allow access if prompted. This step is important because it lets Calendly communicate with Zoom and generate meeting links automatically. After that, give it a moment to connect properly. Sometimes integrations take a few seconds to sync, so if you don't see it right away, just wait briefly and refresh if needed. Once Zoom is connected, the next step is to go to your scheduling settings. In Calendly, this is where you manage your event types and meeting details. Select the event type that you want to edit. This could be a one-on-one call, a discovery call, a consultation, or any custom meeting type you use with clients. After you open that event type, look for the location section. This is the part that tells Calendly how the meeting will happen. In the location options, choose Zoom. Once Zoom is selected, Calendly will know to automatically attach a Zoom meeting link whenever someone books that event. After selecting Zoom, make sure you click Save. This part is really important because if you skip saving, the setting won't apply to your event. Once saved, your Calendly booking link is ready to share with invitees. When someone books a time with you through that link, Calendly will create the Zoom meeting details for the appointment automatically. That means your invitees will receive the right information without you having to manually send a separate Zoom invite every single time. If you want, you can test it by opening your booking page and going through the process yourself to confirm the Zoom link appears correctly. That's a great way to make sure everything is set up before sharing it with clients or teammates. And just like that, you've successfully connected Zoom to Calendly and set your event to use Zoom as the meeting location. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel because I post simple step-by-step tutorials to help you save time and work smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.